Today we're delighted to have Governor Patrick Honohan as our guest speaker at one in a series of business lunches that we're hosting through Chartered Accountants Ireland Leinster Society this year. It provides an opportunity for key Irish business figures and political figures to address both our members and members of the media on current and topical issues.
Would you say a few words, Governor, about the mortgage arrears this morning?
No, I won't.
General Secretary of the Department of Finances.
No, we have
Fiona Muldoon is saying it's lip service by the banks.
Fiona's speech is great, yeah.
Do you
Great
agree
speech.
with it?
Of course I do. Of course I do. Of course I agree with what she said.
So you're calling for mortgage debt forgiveness, Governor?
So far I've managed to talk a lot without mentioning bank debt and mortgage arrears. And here too, though, there are some false friends if we look at simple averages. The very high and still growing rate of mortgage arrears, and some new numbers have been published today. This is often identified with what could really be an entirely distinct phenomenon, namely that of negative equity. I said could be, I didn't say is. In fact, when we drill down on the data, to the extent that we can, we find that the overlap between households in negative equity and households with mortgages in arrears is smaller than you might think. Most households with negative equity are current on their mortgages, while others are in arrears despite having a positive equity position. So this is an area where new data now becoming available will throw light on an important conjecture, that unemployment and income loss may be a much stronger predictor of mortgage arrears than negative equity. If that's so, it has implications for predicting the future evolution of mortgage arrears and loan losses, and for designing bank policy towards the management of the arrears problem. So watch this space.